In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar in Monday.com. We'll walk through this slowly so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a progress bar to your board and understand what it's showing you. First, go ahead and log into your Monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your boards are listed. Take a moment to find the specific board where you want to start tracking progress. This might be a project board, a task list, or anything else you're managing. Click on that board to open it. Now that you're inside the board, we're going to add the progress bar column. Look across the top of your board at the columns you already have. Then scroll all the way to the right, to the very last column. At the end, you'll see a small plus icon. This is how you add a new column to your board. Click on that plus icon. A menu will pop up with different types of columns you can add. From here, look for the option called Progress Tracking. If you see it right away in the list, simply click it. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. There's a search bar in that same menu. Click into the search bar, type Progress, and it should show you the Progress Tracking column option. Once you see it, select it to add it to your board. As soon as you add it, you'll notice that each row or each item on your board now has its own progress bar. These small bars visually represent how far along that item is based on the statuses you've set in your other columns. For example, if you're using status labels like not started, in progress, and done, Monday.com uses those to calculate a percentage and display it as a bar for each item. If you look carefully at the bottom of that progress column, you'll also see a larger progress bar. This one doesn't just look at a single row, it summarizes the progress for the entire column. In other words, it gives you an overview of how much of the whole board is complete in both a percentage and a visual bar. That's all you need to start using the progress bar in Monday.com. Log in, open your board, add the progress tracking column, and then use the bars to quickly see both item level and overall progress at a glance.